Good morning, Buster. Good morning. How did you sleep last night? How did you sleep? You want to talk about it? How did you sleep last night, baby? How did you sleep? Did you have some good dreams? Did you have some good dreams? What did you dream about? You dream about your puppies? Yeah? Little Buster and little Bono and Bertha. Oh. Oh. You waking up? Yeah. Oh. You look like you're still tired. Yeah, you are? Yeah, you look like you're still tired. Yeah. I know. It's hard to wake up in the morning, isn't it? Yeah.